Oh. Alright, right now I have tied on this woolly bugger, which I was using last time I went fly fishing, where I actually caught 2 bass on this fly, and I caught 1 gill. I'm going to be switching to this gurgler, size 4, by Salty Quill on Etsy. You buy them for $6 and they come in a pack of 2. So yeah, yeah, I'm be switching them right now. Oh, I just had one. I just had a bite on the gurgler. It went for it, but I lost it. I literally just had something and then let go of it. Ooh, that gets your blood pumping. I guess this thing actually is pretty good. It's not even that hard to use. I'm just stripping the line. I've been kind of using it like a frog. I'm just stripping it once, like kind of popping it, not popping it, but like stripping the line once, letting it sit for like, I don't know, 15 seconds, maybe less. And kind of like if you would a frog. And I just got a bite, that's all. That's all I'm gonna say. I mean, I've never used this thing before. I've only heard that it's good. It looks good, not saying that I had any doubt. But yeah, that was pretty cool to see. I don't know how I didn't hook it. I guess it might have had the tail, not the hook. Because I should have waited a little bit longer, but I didn't want to go hook it. I thought I had it, so that was my fault. No, I've seen so many things jump over here. I just want to try it out real quick. Maybe not step in that water. Dang, I can't believe I had one. Dang it, man. I just want to catch a fish. I haven't freshwater fished in a while. And it feels so good to be, okay. Saltwater fishing, freshwater fishing I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like doing it more. That's only because it feels like they'll bite. No, it doesn't feel like it. It is that the fish are they usually fight harder, even if they're not that big. Most of them are pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. But freshwater also has its perks. And I'm not saying there isn't big fish in freshwater. I mean, of course there is. But I feel like, a redfish fights 10 times harder than a largemouth bass. When I caught a redfish the other day, and that thing was 15 inches maybe a little bit more. And it fought like absolute crazy. Like, it was insane. And I skipped a gulp shrimp underneath the bridge. And boom, I had one. And that thing smacked it harder as a rock. Like, that thing went for it. I'm not saying bass don't fight hard like freshwater bass, but sheesh. Saltwater bass, freshwater fish. Just different. Dang, I want to catch a fish on this fly. It says drag. I wonder if it is. Or is it used to take off the thing so you can spool your line? Or is it actual drag? Because I've been confused about what it is. Ooh, there's a big topwater bite right there. I might actually just move down. Or I might go that way. I'm gonna try that way first since I'm closer, and then I'm gonna go that way. Now I'm going to move over here. Where did I get all the way to that tree line? Oh, I knew it. Dang it. Yeah, I think those will be stuck. I'm gonna keep the line a little tense, so when I pop it, it makes more of a big splash and popping sound. So my water goes out. Just because if I have so much slack on it, it won't do what I want. I'm gonna try again. Oh snap. Can you skip flies? Is that a thing? I don't know. Maybe. Probably really good people can. It probably depends on the fly, I guess. I don't know. Before I leave and go down there, I'm gonna switch to a spinning rod. I want to try to see if I can skip it underneath those trees right there and see if I can get a bite. See if anything will go for it. I'm gonna try that real quick. Try to switch spots. Might have to get the cooler out because there's some top water bite going on. Alright, pond number 2 of the day, starting off with this spinning rod. Trickworm. Sometimes there's fish in the spillway. Oh, that's definitely one right there. Oh shoot, it's a school of them. School of them, not school. And of course my lure could not cast. School of bass. Just swam across. Find out if they're still there. Somebody just jumped over there. I could go ahead and get my fly out. Walk this bank, see if I see any bass. Just kind of hanging out. The water's super clear right here, just because it's a little like spillway, I guess. And bass like to go in and out, but this whole thing leads to a bigger pond. This thing leads to like 5 different ponds. There's a pond down there, pond down there, pond down there. Oh, the wind is like kind of blowing. There's bait fish sitting beds along this bank, and there's one just sitting there in a bed, just not moving. All the other ones darted already because I think I spooked him. There's just one sitting right in front of me. Just hasn't even moved, just doesn't care. Oh, there's some slowly coming back. So there's like bluegills though, so it doesn't really matter. Probably, I wonder if there's any bass sitting up towards the front right here. Just waiting, just like stalking the bait fish. This pink dragonfly, it keeps hovering around me. I think I touched the bait fish with my rod. I was trying to. Oh, there's a school right there. Oh! Oh, giant! Oh my gosh, that was insane. Oh my gosh, that was an insane fight. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was probably that was the best fight I've ever had. I know I just said brackish water. Oh my gosh, I looked him right there. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Oh my gosh. Topwater bites just get your adrenaline pumping, but on the fly, that's my first bass ever on the woolly bugger. Oh ho ho, baby. I would give it a pound, maybe. Some insane gripper teeth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was insane. That was insane. Oh my gosh. I'm taking a picture of this guy. We'll go release, get him right back out here. I knew this pond was gonna produce. Oh my gosh. It's a nice one. Ooh, that was a fight. Longest fight I've ever had. Oh my gosh. Let's get release this guy. Find a good spot. 1 second. Dang it. Here he goes. It wasn't really a good access point for that. Oh my gosh. Get your adrenaline pumping. I mean, not the woolly bugger. On the gurgler. I don't know. If I said woolly bug earlier, I'm sorry. I meant to say gurgler. Let's hopefully get number 2. Oh, what a fight. That was just... Oh, that was... I would not trade that fight for the world. Now I know how to fly fish, but the fight is like insane. Oh my gosh, that was my first cast on this side. It was my first like main cast, like basic cast of this pond. I was just like pulling the lure through the water a second ago. Wasn't really casting it. That was like my first actual cast at this pond. Topwater bite at 9 o'clock. Whew. I wouldn't say that's sunrise time, but still early. That's why you go out in the morning. But it's cloudy, so. And there was a school bait fish going by. Oh, that was such a sick bite, man. That was, oh my gosh, insane. This thing represents a fish in the top, school. It's just anything on the top water. Just, I don't know. Bait fish, frog, insect, whatever. Just popping it along. That was insane. Hopefully that fight, it looks as cool as it on camera as it did in person. That was just insane, man. That gets your like blood like pumping, like gets you hyped up, you know? Whew. Cloudy condition. Wind is going, kind of working against me. But I'm making it work. Yeah, if you like the video, just, like, subscribe. It's free. Yeah. Hopefully, I'll probably be doing more fly fishing content soon. Hopefully, I'll be doing brackish and saltwater content. Definitely more freshwater. But yeah. as I grow bigger, things will become more crazier. And hopefully this channel will grow a lot bigger. Just using the Orbis Encounter 8 watt. Yeah, that's about it.